Literacy practice 1, open your book, page number 10. And the topic is sound of B. So in your previous class, I have learned about vowels and consonants. And in the particular class, you have learned about the vowels. The 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. And the rest of the letters are called consonants. And today I am going to teach you about the consonants. So let's start the letter. So the first letter is about B, and open page number 10. The topic is sound of B. At first, see here I have written 4 letters starting with B, like that. B, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby starts with B. Then bus, B-U-S, bus. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. Ball, B-U-L-B, ball. So all the words starts with B. And now see the task of page number 10. Draw lines from the alphabet B to the pictures whose names begin with B. See, in the middle a letter B has written. Now see the picture, all the picture properly. What is this? This is a picture of a parrot, and parrot not starts with B. Next, what is this? This is a book, and you know book is B-O-O-K, book. Book spelling is B-O-O-K, book. So what is the first letter? The first letter is B, as you can see. So what to do? Just start a line from here and join to the picture. Next, what is this? This is a chick. So chick not starts with the letter B. What is this? A ball. Ball starts with B, so joined with the letter B. Then cat. Cat not starts with the letter B. And this is a bag. Bag also starts with B, so joined the letter B with the picture of bag. Now turn the page. Page number 11. Here the topic is sound of C. Sound of C. Now let's read the task. Circle the pictures whose names begin with C. Cross out the others. So see properly the pictures. The first picture is a cup, and cup spelling is C-U-P, cup. So cup starts with C. Cup starts with C. So circle around the cup. And next, what is this car? C-A-R, car. So circle the car. Next, house. House spelling is H-O-U-S-E. So house not starts with C. House starts with H. So cross on house. Then what is this? Capsicum. Capsicum starts with C. So you have to circle around capsicum. Similarly, recognize all the remaining pictures, and what starts with the letter C, you have to circle around the particular picture. And then in the box have written some words starts with C. Read loudly the words. Cold, C-O-D, cold. Then colt, C-O-L-T, colt. Cup, C-U-P, cup. Then C-A-K-E, cake. And then cook, C-O-O-K, cook. Now next, turn the page, page number 12. And here the letter is D. Here also task is same as the previous. Read the headline. Box the objects whose names begin with the same letter as the nice. Here you can see this is a boy and his name is Denice. So the first letter of Denice and the first letter is D. Okay, and now see all the pictures. What is this? This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So the first letter is D, and also the first letter of Denice is D. So just box around the duck. Then cat, C-A-T, cat. So C-A-T, cat, and cat spelling starts with C. So not do any box around the picture of cat. And then the picture is a door. D-O-O-R, door. The first letter is D. So do a box around the door. Next, what is this? This is a box. This is a truck and this is a dog. Okay, and next the words read loudly. Dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. D-I-D, did. D-E-A-R, dear. D-U-M-B, dumb, and D-A-I-S-O-Y, daisy. So all the words starts with D. So this is your CW and HW also. From the page number 10 to the page number 12, you have to read